Hey folks, thanks for coming to the channel. Doing this video about my washer because one thing I forgot years ago, I had another washer and it had like a cold. It threw a cold and said, hey, check the filter. I'm like, filter? There's a filter? There's a filter? I was like, really? So I was like, okay, I gotta look it up, see what's going on. And it had a bunch of gunk. And then years later, I got this washer. This is like probably about 6 years old. I never checked the filter, never checked the drain. So I'm just gonna show you real quick what you should do. This is a LG washer, but a lot of washers I think are similar. At least the front loaders are similar. They have a little door. It's pretty easy. You just need some kind of container. I just got this old container here because you are gonna drop water for sure. So you're gonna pop this out, and this door actually kind of comes out if you get the right angles. And you can see here, it tells you put that hose in the bowl, and the other one you just twist off. You want to get the water out first. Is it a one? Yeah, get the water out first, and then you're gonna go after this canister, and that's where you can have a lot of crap. And if you're ever missing stuff like coins, etc., that's where they go, so that way it doesn't go down the drain and clog up things. So then it looks like lefty-loosey to take out the canister. But let me go ahead and pull this out first, and then let's get more angle here. Here we go. Because there should be water coming out of here. Not sure how much holes there is. Here you go. And it's just a little twisty insert, nothing hard. Okay, that wasn't too long, not too bad. Oh, teasing me. There's more in there? Okay. Need too much. Alright, I can put this back. At least temporarily. And then that's just lefty-loosey. See what kind of surprises we got, if any. Taking a few turns. I don't have too much gunk, which is good. It's a little nasty. Ooh, that is nasty though. Very bad. I'm gonna clean this out. I'll be right back. All right, went out and rinsed it outside because it was nasty, but now it's nice and clean. It wasn't too gunky. It did have this weird clay, nasty, stinky stuff. This stuff stinks. So that I got in a piece of plastic. So I don't know what passed through it, but I thought it was gonna be worse than it was. But it isn't, but it does smell. So now we're just gonna stick this back in. Make sure it's tight, not moving anymore. You wanna make sure because that'll be a leak point. Stick this hose back in. I already stuck this end in. And make sure there's more water. There's no more water coming out, so we'll just stick that back in. Stick this upward so we won't lose the hose. That's why the work only goes in about 60 degrees. That's it. Set and forget it. Don't be like me and wait years. I would check it every few months just to be safe. However, there's another thing that I have an issue with, which will be in the next video, is that in here doesn't look that bad, but it smells. It smells really bad. So what I'm getting next and testing is this stuff. Just clean this washing machine because it stinks. All right, so stay tuned for that video. Thanks for watching. Peace out.